Number 4 of 6 in the Mud series of the Hot Wheels Monster Jam series is Soldier Fortune Black Ops. So we're going to unbox him and take a look. Remember, this is the Crushable Car series. And Case J, we have Avenger Epic Editions. That's the 20th anniversary edition of Avenger we'll have. Then we have Doomsday Nightglow Cage, Inferno Flashback, the Soldier Fortune, El Toro Loco and Creatures, Mohawk Warrior Tour Favorites, and Max D and Tour Favorites. Here he is, coming into the arena, the Mud, with Soldier Fortune. And yeah, this truck looks pretty cool with mud. Here is the crushable car that comes with the station wagon look. But here is Soldier Fortune. You got mud on the tires, mud up on the side of the truck. Bring it up close. The Mud series is pretty neat. Just another way for Mattel Hot Wheels to make more money on the trucks. Whoops. It does have the BKT Hot Wheel tires. So there's nothing really new from last year's version. There's Soldier Fortune Black Ops. Now I did bring out my truck from last year. So here's another Soldier Fortune from last year. And the Team Flag series. So let's put the Team Flag on the Mud series truck of this year. And you get a look of what it looks like with the Team Flag with the Mud series. And then I go back, and here is Soldier Fortune, the first edition that came out with the machine gun up top. And so let's take that machine gun off, and we'll put it on the new Mud truck. If it will snap correctly. There we go. So there you have it. Now the Mud truck with the Team Flag and the gun up top. Looks really cool. So thank you for tuning in to this series. And I'll have more trucks coming from Case J. So thank you for tuning in.